how to use your iPhone as a webcam on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the settings of your iPhone, and over here make sure that your Bluetooth is on, and also make sure that the Bluetooth is on your Mac as well. After that, make sure that the Wi-Fi you are connected to on Mac as well as on your iPhone is same. Then select this option of general settings, scroll down, and here you would find this option of AirPlay and continuity. Simply select it, then make sure that you have enabled this option of continuity to camera. This will allow you to use your iPhone as your webcam on Mac. After that, you can just simply open up FaceTime or any other web cam required app on your Mac and then switch to iPhone as camera, and this is how you would be able to do. In case if you are facing any problem, just try to connect it using a wire, and after that you can even remove the wire while using the iPhone as webcam, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.